Okay guys, so we have finished up to exercise 4.3 in our previous videos, and we are continuing with the chapter of quadratic equations, and we are on the exercise 4.4. So let's go to question number 1. So question number 1 says, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real root exists, we have to find them. Okay, so now we know that how can we find out that the roots are real or not real, right? So we know the discriminant, that is equal to b square minus 4ac. So if my discriminant is greater than 0, then there will be two distinct roots. If it is equal to 0, then there will be two equal roots, right? And real roots. So if it is less than 0, then there will be no real roots, right? So basically we have to find out in this the discriminant, right? So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, so according to this equation, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So my a is equal to 2 and my b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Let's substitute the value. So b square will be minus 3 whole square and minus 4 into 2 into 5. So this is my 9 and this is equal to 40. So I get minus 31. Okay, so my discriminant is less than 0 because it is negative, correct? So I would say that there are no real roots existing for this equation. So answer I can write down that real roots do not exist for this equation, right? Let's move to second part now. So second part is this. Here also we have to find out d. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac, my discriminant. So here I know my a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and my c is equal to 4. Okay, so now my discriminant, let me substitute the value. So minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. Okay, so my discriminant is equal to, here 4 into 4 will make it 16 into 3, so 48 and positive. Then here I have minus and 16 3s are 48. Okay, so this is equal to 0. So here my discriminant is equal to 0. Therefore I can say the roots are, there exist real roots, right? So there exists real roots and they would be equal, and they will be equal roots, right? Because discriminant is equal to 0. So the nature of the roots is real roots and equal roots. Okay, now we have to find out the roots also. So let's find out now. 3x square minus 4 root 3 x plus 4 is equal to 0. So let's find out the roots by splitting the middle term. So sum here is equal to minus 4 root 3 and product is equal to 4 into 3. So 12, right? So I can say numbers will be minus 2 root 3 and minus 2 root 3. So sum will give me minus 4 root 3 and the product will give me 12, right? So let's split. So 3x square minus 2 root 3x minus 2 root 3 x plus 4 is equal to 0. And this was my little bit of rough work. Here I'll have root 3, because 3 is root 3 into root 3, so root 3 is common, and of course x, so root 3x minus 2, and here I'll take minus 2 common, so I'll be left with root 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So factors for my this equation would be root 3x minus 2 and root 3x minus 2. So my zeros would be x is equal to 2 by root 3 in both cases, right? So I can write down as these also, or if I don't want to keep my denominator as irrational, then it would be 2 root 3 by 3, right? So these would be my answer. So these are my roots. So we already found out that the nature of the roots is real. Okay, I can write down here again. So nature of roots is real and equal, and roots are 2 root 3 by 3 and 2 root 3 by 3. So they are equal and they are real. So let's move to the third part. Third part also we have to find the discriminant. So again d is equal to b square minus 4ac, and so let's a in this equation is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. So now let's substitute the value. So b square, so minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. So this is 36 and this is 24. Okay, so we have 12 here. Okay, so by this we know discriminant is greater than 0, right? So that means it shows that there will be two distinct, so therefore there would be two distinct real roots. Okay, so two distinct real roots, and we have to find the roots also. So let's find out. So 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So I have to find the roots for this equation. So we can use the quadratic formula to find out the roots of this equation. A quadratic formula. So my minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac root of this by 2a. So these will be my values or the roots for this equation. Okay, here we have already found out what is my a, b and c, right? A is 2, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. So let me substitute now. So x would be equal to minus into minus 6 and plus minus b square will be equal to minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3. Okay, and we had already found out that value comes out to be 12. So 2 into 2 here. So x is equal to, this becomes plus minus root of 12, right? Because we already found out here 12 discriminant, and this is equal to 4. So now this would be equal to, I can take, this is 4 into 3, right? So I can take 2 out and 3 here, right? Then this would be 4. So this will be equal to 2 common here, 3 plus minus root 3 by 4. So 2 times. Therefore x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. So these are my two roots of this equation. So we are done with the first question, and see you guys in the next video for the second one.